T, aka Mr. Bass Lives Matter himself. Practical Bass and Yakking a Fool. We getting out here today and having some fun, guys. I'm gonna give y'all a report. We got to give y'all something. Bluebird skies, y'all know how it is. Y'all see that sky? It's supposed to suck. We will see how much it suck. I'm prepped for a skunk. Bring on the Pepe Le Pew. Let's get it. Let's have some fun, guys. Let's go. There we go, guys. There we go, guys. There we go, guys. I want to say it's a fish on here. I want to say it's a fish on here. Yeah, I knew it was one on there, guys. Square bill time. Look at the dinks. Dink party. Oh, don't try to get out the boat, dog. So, a little dink. Boss 'em. So, bluebird days, guys. A nice chartreuse square bill will make it happen. So, nothing wrong with that. See how the trapper got him on lock? Good stuff. Camera's rolling because it's about to roll. Don't tell me to throw nothing else because I'm hard-headed and I ain't listening. Oh, this tackle flies, guys. I mean, this tactical P-line flies. Come on, where you at? Don't be shy to top water T. There you go, guys. There you go. I hope there you go. Nope. Bottom. Where you at? Where you at? There you go, guys. There you go that time. I told y'all I'm a monster with that daggone jerkbait. In that moment, god damn it, in that moment. In that moment. Stop all that mess, boy. Get up in this boat. Hog City. You know how top water T does. I'm a monster with that jerkbait, guys. But let's go. Rock them. Bust them. In that mouth, guys. That's how Megabass Vision 110 rocks. We're gonna do guess the weight. Guess the weight, guess the length. Trapper got him on lock. See if he all in that mouth. That's how we do. Like I said, screw them bluebird days, guys. Just fish. Don't let people tell you not to fish just because it's sunny and there ain't no clouds in the sky. Sometimes I feel myself. That's why I feel like I'm Dr. Jimmy Houston's grandbaby. And I'm singing, that's my country song right there. Hey, Jimmy Houston's Dr. Grandbaby does it again and again and again. Let's go. Y'all know how we roll, guys. We have fun on this show. Guys, I told you. 4 or 5.
Guys, I got a country album coming soon. Check this out. Check out my EP, baby.
Anybody guessing?
I'ma take my hobby to the local lake and
let me get a measurement.
ride till I can't no more. What the hell was that? Top water T, please stick to fishing. You are not Cowboy Troy. You ain't Darius Rucker. Stick to fishing, boy.
All right, guys, what's the weight? Can you guess the weight? You gonna guess? Anybody gonna guess? Let's get them back in the water.
Top water T,
and let's get away from the damn snakes.
You just showed the weight. They can't guess what they already saw.
Selfie sticks.